Highland cows, with their shaggy coats and imposing horns, epitomise resilience in the Scottish Highlands. These stoic animals endure harsh winters, thick mists, and rugged landscapes where few others could survive. Using their adaptable coats, they withstand sub-zero temperatures, an armor developed over centuries. These cows have learned to forage in sparse mountainous regions, consuming snow-covered grasses and shrubs for sustenance. Their social nature and herding behavior not only ensure warmth, but provide a defense against predators. This blend of adaptation and community spirit showcases how Highland cows maintain their presence in an unforgiving yet stunning environment.